Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. So what's really happening? I think it's quite straightforward. We can see that we are just waiting for a core PCE. Maybe from there we're gonna have some clear movements, but the forecast here. They say that the number is gonna go a little bit lower. We're coming from 0.2%. And now they estimate that maybe it's going to be 0.1. If it comes like that or even less, that will be very good for other pairs which are going against the dollar. So yesterday I said, guys, I will be going live, but nope, I had some other reasons, and unfortunately I did not really go on our live session. But without wasting time, we'll try to cover as many as possible currency pairs, or like all the pairs that we have here, or most of them. I will try to cover them, but don't forget that we have a nice special for you guys. You can join our lifetime for $60. You can join 12 months for only $48. Those are the signals. So yeah, what's really happening? Let me start on New Zealand dollar. NZD. What's happening? So we can easily see that most of these markets, guys, they were actually trying to go higher, or to give us a very nice uptrend. Do you see that? We were expecting a very nice uptrend, especially when we are coming from this downtrend structure. But since the dollar is getting stronger, we see them reversing again. And with this type of a reversal, it means that most likely we are going to change what we were thinking, because we thought maybe we were starting to go to the upside, but now it shows us that we are going to continue with our previous trend. And at the end of the day, maybe we will be drawing a structure like that or something like that. But you can see that this is actually an adjustment. It was not really a fake breakout. This area makes sense. It just makes sense. If we connect with that, it will just connect very nice. So which means the market was just adjusting. Then after that, we are going to see a continuation of that sell. So now we're no longer thinking about bullish move, but I can see the candlestick still trying to close there. We will see what will happen. But at the end of the day, I'm expecting to see the market continuing to the lowest side. But I think PCE is going to change. It's going to change most of the stuff that we see here, as that is very important, quite similar to CPI, because it will be showing us if maybe the rates are going higher or lower. So now we are on USD ZAR. We can easily see that we are still coming from this nice uptrend structure, but we had a very long ranging structure. But it seems like the market actually tried to respect this level, even though we see the market trying to go back around that level. But I'm still expecting to see a very nice bullish move, as this is been a very nice support area for quite some time. I can see that South African rand is holding its ground very aggressively. It seems like it wants to break out here. If it does, then it's up to the market. We will see what will happen. But the dollar, it's quite stronger. So maybe once we have PCE, we might see the market going up if it's going to be positive. If it's going to be negative, that will be good. We'll see a breakout. That might happen. That will be happening. We will see. We're going to have some very serious moves. So that will help us to have a solid decision from now on, and we will understand what are we supposed to do going further. So now we are on Australian dollar, or Aussie dollar. So we can easily see that, yeah, on a bigger time frame or daily time frame, they don't really need us to go on 4 hours time frame, because it's just the same thing. So we can easily see that we have this nice ranging structure. Just look at that. So can we do something here? No, we are just going to look for these markets once it reaches our support or resistance. Whether it reaches this level, we will buy. If it reaches our resistance, then we will look for a sell. We just have to make our job quite simple. Why? Because the market is not actually uptrending like that, or maybe downtrending like that. Do you see that? So that's how we see it. So, or that's how I see it. So Now we are on USD Canada. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. I'm already late. So we can easily see that the market is showing us that, you know what, we are still on a very nice uptrend. Yes, we tried to, the market tried to break out of that because Canada had a positive CPI, but the market reversed aggressively because the dollar, it was already quite strong. But the overall move here, you can see that, yeah, we are still a very, 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 very strong on this bullish move. So what we see here is we did have a very nice buy, by the way. So the market was just playing around, but at the end of the day, you can see that the market did try to go even higher. You can see that. I'm trying to show you here. You can see the market did try to break this nice resistance, and from there we had that a nice pending order, and the market triggered that. So I still believe that the market will end up going higher, but the problem is we have the news. So sometimes it might be quite difficult for us just to try to hold the news when we know very well that, to hold trades when we know that there is news. So CAD JPY, we can easily see that Canada is quite stronger against JPY. We know very well that JPY is quite weak. So we see that this is a very nice uptrend. The market broke out of that resistance. So at the moment, for us to continue buying, we will need the market to retest here before we go higher. But I'm expecting a continuation of that bullish move. But what I know is the market won't just continue going higher the whole week. So one way or another, the market will create a nice resistance. Then we might have something like that, and the market can continue like that. And we just keep buying once the market gives us structures like that, as we are on that nice uptrend. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yes, later on we are going to go on that live. We will be also going on a live session on Trader Nick channel, but we'll also go here. We will also go on a live session. I think after that, I will be going live on my channel. So if you are on my free group, my free Telegram group, check in the description. Be there, because once we go live, you don't really need to miss. You don't really want to miss that. So on Bitcoin, we can easily see that, yeah, the market is still on this nice uptrend. The market has been going up, but this area here, it's a bigger consolidation structure. The market even touched the support, so there is enough chance for the market to do what, to push to the upside, or to take to respect the support area and push the upside, unless if maybe the market tries to break out, then we will look for a sell. But at the moment, it shows us that the market can actually or easily respect that. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are days. So 5 days, 6 days there around this area. It shows us that this area is quite strong. So maybe we might see a nice reversal, and that will be great. Let's push to the next one. I think everything here is just waiting for PCE to show us what's really happening. So Euro USD, we can easily see that, yeah, on a bigger structure like daily, we can see something like that. We can see that the market is slowly going down. We are on a nice downtrend structure. So where we are here, the market is just consolidating. Maybe later on we will see the market going down, or maybe the market will be reversing. But the overall structure here, it's actually a nice downtrend structure. We can even go maybe on a smaller, like 4 hours time frame. Not really that small. It's quite big for us who trade daily. So you can see that we have a stuff like this. So yes, the market is still continuing to go lower. Once the market reaches this resistance, we can take a nice sell, or if maybe the market breaks this support, we can look for a sell. But the best thing that we can do is to wait for the news before we think about doing that. So now let's go on USD JPY. USD JPY, we can easily see a very nice bigger move and bigger uptrend. We see that the market is actually going higher. This shows the strength of the dollar. This shows that the dollar is quite strong, especially against JPY. So on that, we see that the market is still continuing, but what we know is every time when we have this aggressive push or aggressive move, one way or another, just look at this. we are going to get a nice sell. Even here, we will get that. So the market won't just go straight up like that. So we know very well that we're going to have a reversal. So if maybe you did miss a very nice move here, we did smash that. If you miss something there, wait for the market to reverse before we can get actually to that a nice buy again. Or maybe the market will end up creating a nice resistance around this level that we can actually say after the market breaks out of that, we can continue buying as we are on a very nice bullish move. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Now we are on a dollar index. We can easily see that, yeah, the market is still on that nice bullish move. The market is actually going higher. And with that shows us that the dollar is quite stronger. So if you think about selling the dollar, think twice, because dollar index, it shows us that the market is quite stronger. Dollar is quite strong. So if you do that, make sure that you understand what's actually happening. But what we see here is we have a nice structure on top there, which the market can actually respect. So I'm expecting maybe a very nice push to reach this area before we see a nice sell. If the market sells from that area, we're going to easily buy other stocks which are going against the dollar. Gold, US30, currency pairs that are going against USD. But at the moment, we just have to wait. And I think since Wednesday, the market has been playing around this level. I think that was a purpose to reach this level before selling. Maybe PCE will change stuff. If maybe things are going to be aggressively positive, maybe we will end up seeing a breakout. But that will be way too aggressive. And that will mean that it's going to be difficult for Federal Reserve, US Federal Reserve, to cut their rates, right? And that is going to be a problem. That is going to be a problem. So now we are on Gbpusd. What's really happening on Gbpusd? We are coming from a very nice downtrend structure. It was going down very nice without any issues. Guess what? The market broke out. We were expecting a very nice bullish move. And now it seems like the market is changing very quick. Very quick. And mostly we don't really have smaller uptrend, downtrend very quick. So this here is just there to confuse everyone. We need to be we need to understand and realize that, you know what, things are not moving the way we want, and don't just fight the market, because if you just want to trade non-stop, you end up losing unnecessarily. So this is what I see. The market, you can see the market was going like that before. So now it seems like the market will end up going like that. So you can see we have that type of a move. So I was just waiting for the market maybe to reach this level before maybe we can think about selling. But around this level again, it seems like it might be another zone that the market can respect, especially if PCE is going to be negative. We will see GBP going even higher. You see, because if PCE is going down, it means inflation or prices are going down. Then that is not really going to be good for you as a currency, and that is going to benefit other pairs that are going against that currency. So at the end of the day, it means we'll see maybe the market going up, breaking out of these areas. Maybe we might even reach those levels, because I think we're going to have a change of the tone when it comes to interest rates. I hope that makes sense. So I think day before yesterday, we had some very nice, if you still remember, I said scalp this. I just kept this here. I said scalp this. I even sent in my group, just look what happened. The market even touched our TP. And it seems like the market will be continuing, but not so fast. If maybe you missed that, a trade, just wait for the news. It's just few hours. Then after that, you can trade, you see. Because sometimes you might feel like, oh, I missed something very nice. Yeah, you did miss, but it's not like maybe it's the last one. You're still going to have some very nice trades. So from this area, you can see it was a very nice support, and that move was actually expected, and we had a very nice trade there. Then I'm expecting to see if maybe, On top there, it seems to be like that. The market seems to be giving us this wedge type structure. So which means maybe the market might reach this level, go down like that, but it's up to the market, guys. I will just have to wait, and see what's really happening with PCE. Because if things change, we might see a very nice reversal. If maybe that PCE is gonna be way too positive, we'll see a very quick U-turn, you see, and that is not gonna be good if maybe you were looking for a buy. So that was a very great trade. And if you want to eat with a type of trades like that, you can join our team lifetime, which means you just pay once, only $60. You pay once, then you're done. 12 months, you can scan that QR code to talk to me. 12 months for only $48. If you split that $48 for in 12 months, you will see that you actually paying like way too lower. Way too lower. So anyways, and you can make this, whatever that I'm charging there, you can actually recover that amount within 2 days or 3 days, or one signal, 2 signal, you recovered your joining fee or your subscription, you see. So now let's push to the next one, which is US30. Just this thing has been just playing around the same area. This thing has been playing around the same area. That's why sometimes I don't really want to trade US30. So we can easily see that, yeah, the market has been actually trying, guys. We are coming from this nice ranging structure, which it was quite big. So on top there, you can see we have this nice resistance. But it seems like the market is struggling, guys. The market is struggling to go higher. You can see this area, it's where the market is just ranging. I was expecting to see a very nice push yesterday. We had a nice pending order since around this level. We made some money, and we had another one quite similar around the same level. Then the market is struggling again. So we will see today if maybe the market will end up going higher or not. But yeah, we've been struggling around this area. We can see that the market is consolidating, so that obviously it's a resistance. Obviously on the bottom side, that is going to be a nice support. So above this area, it's where we can try maybe to look for a buy. Yes, one way or another, we know very well that this US30 will end up going higher, but now it's just making us to go crazy, to lose something before it flies. Sorry. We know very well that it's one way or another, it is going to try to catch up with Nasdaq. But at the moment, we are still around this level, but this can be a very nice buy. But we will see what we can do. It's been just playing games with us. So now we are on Nasdaq. You can see that we did have a nice trade there. The market is going quite slower, but that was much better than nothing. I was expecting to see the market reaching that level, but it seems to be taking way too long. So sometimes you just need to get out, and if maybe it reverses, we can get on another one or on another position. But at the moment, you can easily see that, yeah, we are still on our very nice bullish move. And this bullish move here, you can see that, yeah, it's like seriously aggressive. So anything can happen. The market can still reverse. The market can still continue going up. But what I like here is, yes, the market did give us a very nice reversal. That it's much better than before. You see, before the market was just flying without any reversal. But since we had a reversal, now I'm confident that there is a chance for the market to still push the upside. Yes, maybe a ranging market there. It's also good. You see, it can also happen. So what's really happening? S&P 500 quite the same. Unfortunately, here we did not really take any trade. German. I'm expecting to have a very nice sell here on German. I think the market might reach this level here and start to go down as we are on this nice downtrend structure. Do you see that? I'm expecting to see the market going down. So that can actually be a very nice trade. You can see the market touch this area, pushed lower. So I'm also expecting the same thing to happen there. So that can actually work in our favor. So let's check the other one. I think it's going to be US oil. US oil just touched our pending order, as we now expecting the market to continue going up. You can see that yes, the market actually showed us that it was on a downtrend structure, and we respected that, and we did follow that trend. Now the market is struggling to go higher, but I think now at least the market broke out of that resistance. The market was just ranging, so now I think this can be a very nice push to the upside. So that can be very good. So anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. These are our specials that will actually end anytime soon. It's a limited special. Scan that QR code to talk to me. Then, yeah, we will start to receive those signals if you pay a lifetime or maybe for 12 months. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.